Yeah, jumpin', them boys up to something. They just spent like 2 or 3 weeks out the country. Them boys up to something, they just not just bluffing. You don't have to call, I hear my dance like Usher. Ooh, I just found my tempo like on DJ.
What's up, guys? This is Loud and Proud here, back with another video, and today we can play some Subway Surfers. So yeah, guys, hope y'all guys enjoy this video, cause today we're about to get down with it, and yeah. So let's go and do this. Sorry about the background talk and stuff. It's because I'm at my friend's house or one of my family members' houses, and they're playing the game. A game, yeah. So it's a game, yeah. Real funny, yeah. Better be laughing. Yeah, so guys, let's get done already. This baby better load. Come on, dude, load. Why you loading so slow? Dude? Load faster. Keep the music, keep the pace up, keep everything up, except yo hair, though. Tap to play, dog. I know how to play this. I'm not dumb. And slide, watcha. Let's go, watcha. Fresh moves, watcha. Boom. Let's go for T for tat. Tummy? Really, tummy? Oh. Let's go. Oh, yeah. I might beat this record, baby. Ooh. I'll play more of this for y'all guys, cause this game's pretty fun for me, guys. I really like it, but yeah. But if y'all don't like it, I'll stop, and yeah. Let's go. Oh. God, we got the moves like Jagger. We got the moves like Jagger. Oh. Watcha. Tummy. Oh. I'm getting scared. We're going a little bit too fast. Oh, I like these bosses. No! At least we completed Tummy. Yes, guys. Let's beat this score, baby. Let's beat it right now. Let's go. I'm sure I got to run. Let's go faster. Why can't we go faster? We need to boost him up, I think. People say they hate the sneakers, but I think I really like them. Sneakers like do actually a lot. They help you pick up money and stuff. Check out my other videos, guys. They're like really good and stuff. But let's keep going. This might be the end. Uy. Ouchie mama. If you think what I'm just saying, I said ouchie mom.